Welcome to Small Lathe. Well, I'd like to attach my vise, which are right now over here on the table, to this, to my anvil. Still shows purple. Well, let's try this with a camera. My own. Yeah, it does show red. You can see it's red on my phone. So this is the master plate. This is going to hold the vise, but I want it to hold another piece of wood as well. So we're going to right, so this fits nicely, but we need to connect these first. So, like so. Right, connected, nice and tight. These fall into place. There goes one. There goes two. And now I got the vise mounted solidly. So I'm very happy with this. This will allow me to play with hot iron, twist it, bend it really easily. Let me show you from above. As you can see, we also have an addition. We have a box here for all the hot cuts and whatnot, chisels and whatever we need. So now getting things in the vise are going to be easy. And then we got to say, well, you got it mounted on your workbench. Why bother? Well, the workbench is on wheels. I can relatively easy move it. so this is a much more secure location. I guess does vibrate because it is sitting on a tire, as you can see. All in all, it's much more secure. It's a lot harder to move. Right, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day. I'll be seeing you shortly. And one final update. And that's it. Thanks for watching.